What's up, guys? Welcome back. I've been out of work for a while, so I'm headed to work right now. So I'm taking you guys with me on my commute. So let's talk about commuting to work on a motorcycle. So for me, it takes me about an hour to and from, that's a big bump, to get to work, and an hour to come back home. And it's mainly highway the whole way, so one of the biggest benefits is it's a stress reliever. Sometimes heading into work, especially today on a Monday, I'm like, fuck, I gotta go back to work. But riding in makes the day that much better. And also leaving, coming home, I get out of work at a really good time. Traffic is really low, so coming home, riding back home, and it's nice because after work I'm not eager to jump on my motorcycle to go for a ride. After work I'm able to say, you know what, I went to work and I was able to ride today, so you know what, I'm able to go home and spend time with my family. It's gas prices. Because of the price of gas right now, depending on how you ride, like soon I'm gonna be ripping on it. I'm probably gonna be burning through gas, but motorcycles are really good on gas. That's another great thing about riding into work, you know, commuting on your motorcycle. One thing that's a little sketchy of being on your bike is sometimes people don't care. For the most part, people are good, people are cool, but some people will get a little too close to you. Like this person behind me, they've given me a lot of space, so like that, you know. But some people will be like on you like the whole time, and like I'm doing 75, 80, like how much faster do you want me to go? When there's a lot of traffic, depending on where you live, you can lane split. Sometimes for me, like here in New York, we're not supposed to, but what I'll do if there is like a lot of traffic, I'll ride the shoulder, I'll go around. That's if they're at a dead stop. Sometimes when they're moving, sometimes I don't like to go through the middle because some cars get too close. And if I hit someone, that's my fault. So, and one thing I really love about my commute is the scenery. I take Palisades Parkway, so riding into work, it's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, how can I be upset or be in a bad mood going to work on my bike? I just can't be. Now, next month, I will have some videos coming up. I will be going to my first ever bike rally. It's not one of the bigger ones. It's a barricade in Lake George. That is probably gonna take me about maybe a little over 2 hours, 2.5 hours to get to. So I will be vlogging my ride there, and just the whole experience. I will be taking plenty of footage of that. And then especially soon, after this week, after the Memorial Day weekend, I start summer hours. So every Friday, I always try to definitely ride into work because I get home before noon. So I leave my job before 11 o'clock in the morning. So coming home, there's no one on the road at all. I have the most beautiful ride coming home. Oh, that Bassani sounds so good. Oh yeah, woo! Be arriving at work soon, so I'm gonna cut it right here, and next time I see you, I'll be back on the bike.